the sacrifice. Everything I couldn't say, I spit into this mic. Push you to succeed, making me believe. Now tell me, why do they hate on me?
For all of those that's hating, we did it. We got a bit and moving through within them. So you can say that you made us, but the thing is we can't be created. Sending the enemies into oblivion and couldn't relate to the shit that we giving them, been in them bags. Stay intact, fuck your rap, fuck your life. I said it once, better not make me say it twice. Fuck being nice. I'm about to be putting your body on ice. Shooting my gun like 30 times, spitting and giving them dirty rhymes. You heard it, I came my name by saying things on beats and bang. You tried to play and make me hide away. I've grown today and feel what they know. Watch as I display. On my vein, I've been enraged. But quick a bit of spitter, that'll bring the flame. Better not get in my way, that'll be insane. Sounding the same as a gun in the range. I'm proud to be this way. I'll leave you out of things I say. Thinking you taking me down, shit, that'll be the day. Glad that y'all come out and play, cause I will.
Put it on my life, through all the sacrifice. Everything I couldn't say, I spit into this mic. Push you to succeed, making me believe. Now tell me, why do they hate on me? Why do they hate on me? Why do they hate on me? Why do they hate on me?
First off, I don't like you, let's get that from the jump. I ain't never said a lot cause I don't really give a fuck, man. People change, opinions fade, I rack my brain with words I've laid. Open by my end of days, you understand the fucking pain. Stories conveyed, I paved my lane, on broken hope I serenade. Giving you something real, fuck most of y'all just spit charades. But this ain't a game, I play the shame, dismantle you, I fucking man. Give a fuck about who you are, end of the day we bleed the same. So fuck your name, you all pretend a broken trend, your rhymes some spin. Tried to fuck this game up, all you did was sex offend. Cause you all a bunch of bitches, got my trigger finger itching. I don't set up on a pedestal, but you look down on like midgets. So let's get it, you a man, beat you with the fist of pen. Bro, I even write your first line so it ain't over before it begin. Quit your lying, find your courage, man, you need to muster up. Cause you either all about it or can get up off my nuts.
Put it on my life, through all the sacrifice. Everything I couldn't say, I spit into this mic. Push you to succeed, making me believe. Now tell me, why do they hate on me? 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 Yeah, yeah.
Diary of a Bullet.